Hello, we're Macy here. And because we have no life and nothing but time on our hands, we're just going to do some couch flipping.
I dreamed I was missing. You were so scared, but no one would listen, 'cause no one else cared. After my dreaming, I woke with this fear. What am I leaving when I'm done here? So if you're asking me, I want you to know. Time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. And don't resent me. And when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Don't be afraid of taking my beating, of shit that I made. I'm strong on the surface, not all the way through. I've never been perfect, but neither have you. So if you're asking me, I want you to know. When my time comes, forget the wrong that I've done. Help me leave behind some reasons to be missed. Don't resent me. And when you're feeling empty, keep me in your memory. Leave out all the rest. Leave out all the rest. Forgetting all the hurt inside you've learned you had so well. Pretending someone else can come and save me from myself. I can't be who you are.
What are you doing? Why are you grabbing your butt like that? Oh my god. My back kind of really hurts. It kind of makes me feel better. You know, the thing on my leg really hurts. It's like right there. Tighten your butt muscle. No, it really hurts. It's like a spider bite or something. It hurts. Like shit. Well, I'm not. No! I said don't touch it. Oh. I thought you said touch it. I'm just kidding. I'm serious. Awkward? I know. Why am I running it? You know what I've always wanted to do? What? Touch my butt? Mm-hmm. What? Mm-hmm. What? Don't spit in my face. You're gonna spit in my face. Cut this down. You're not spitting in my face. I'm gonna straighten my hair again. And then you're showered. Okay? You swallowed it.
I know I shouldn't keep you waiting.
Is it recording? No, it's recording. I just can't believe you're playing the song! I like that song.